That gleam in your eye. So tell me, Katie, that you truly love me. Is there something I'd like to try? Let's do it dog style. It's so easy, you'll see. You can watch in the mirror. I can watch the TV. So roll your leg over for that canine more, and tell me you'll love me forevermore. Katie, I know you're timid. You're just like a flower, and I can calm all your fears, and you can hold on to the love that I promised, and I can hold on to your ears. Let's do it dog style. It's so easy, you'll see. You can watch in the mirror. I can watch the TV. So roll your leg over for that canine award, and tell me, bark like a doggy. Forevermore. So Katie, you know the drill. You know the drill. I'm on this new medicine called Medixadril. Yeah. Here, bend over if you would. It makes me want to stick stuff on girls' butts right there. I don't know what it is, but it's some heavy medicine right here. Folks, give it up for Katie. Give her some love, y'all. Let's hear it for her.